Hey, just gonna do a little self-care today, a little self-pampering, listen to some affirmations and do my lashes, cause why not? You thought that's all I had left? It's not. I'm not crazy. Lash curler, bond. It's upside down. Bond and seal, 2-in-1. Tweezers, very important. My voice sounds like this because I'm recovering from a terrible cough. It had me in a chokehold, pun intended. And I'm gonna do these lashes. Mwah.
Everything works out for my highest good. I train my... I am my biggest blessing. I am my biggest blessing.
Take this off. I just want to take a quick look at my locks. I did these lock knot bangs yesterday. I'm obsessed. Okay, they're so cute. I think I'm just going to cover my head but leave my bangs out because I'm so obsessed with them and I want to see them. I'm gonna cover the rest of my locks because like I just don't really want them out. I just want to see I just want to see my bangs because they're so adorable. So, am I about to find another style? Let's see here. Is that low-key like a style? If I just wanna... Now, I'm gonna pull my hair up. That's over. Ooh, this is a style too. That is cute. Just a little, you know. She's kind of cute. I think I really like that. Honestly, having the lock knot bangs gives you so many new looks. They're so much fun. I love them. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with these bangs, I'm telling you right now. I can have the bangs without fully committing to them. Favorite thing to do? Wrap it around and tuck it. Roll it and tuck it. There go another style. Boom. Ooh, cute little messy bun. That is cute. I would wear this out somewhere, but that's not what I was trying to do with this. What I wanted to do is cover it up. Roll that. Pull down the back and secure it at the back. And this little thing right here, tuck that in. And there we go. Boom. She's cute. I love her. I think this is adorable. Yeah, I'm a fan. I'm a fan. I love it. Unintentional style, but I just discovered this now and it's so fun. And it was so easy to do. I also wanted to take this moment just to say thank you to you guys because the other day I was just like looking at my page and I have almost 640 subscribers and you guys didn't have to, and I think that's so cool. Thank you for hanging out. I think that's really dope. Little old me, you know. Yeah, Thanks for watching. Okay.
I don't wanna waste my time on